First video, Recount V22, Bizarre Bub. This is 5 years old, and his old videos are not great. I don't expect this to be amazing, but we'll see what we get.
Cade posted the following video and writes, "We should have listened to the dog and not gone downstairs. This is what they caught on camera."
I love that. Or we're blaming us for not listening to the dog.
Right, come on, we're gonna have to go and check. Leave him up here. Come on.
That was a right smash. Did you hear it?
Yeah, I did, yeah.
Not soft, was it?
They don't react to it? Go check what it was.
Yeah,
It sounds like someone's breaking in.
Oh my god. This is getting horrendous.
This is getting horrendous. Look at it. It's smashed on top of there as well.
Why is this part 3? How many TikToks do you... We saw that part of the video. I didn't know this was a longer video that got cut. Was it Haunter? I think it was Sir Spooks that had that video. But no, I remember her screaming like that. I was like, do they do this themselves? Like, you put your dog through that? He's clearly like distressed over something. Like that'd be crazy. But there's no way you come down to your kitchen and it's thrashed about and no, you didn't get robbed or anything. They didn't even go check like quickly. So I don't know if somebody was there and left. Isn't it weird though that every time doors open by themselves and stuff, they have like something on the door, but they always put like tape and stuff. Like, it makes me think they rigged it up. I don't know. I just don't trust this video at all.
Get my shoes.
That scared the out of me. My shoes are upstairs. That scared me.
Where's your car keys?
Shh, they're in the kitchen.
Oh, you're joking.
No.
I just don't think they're like reacting appropriately. Like, they don't even seem like panicked. They seem like stunned, but I don't know. I don't like that video. I didn't like it before and I don't like it this time. Oof. Oh, let me see if that... Okay, it is.
Here's someone having sleep paralysis. It's pretty terrifying, to be honest.
Now, dude, now that's real sleep, well, what appears to be real sleep paralysis. We had the other video that he was like, oh yeah, I had sleep paralysis and I grabbed my phone and started, like, there's no way, dude. You'd be stunned like this. You'd be stuck to the bed. Oh wow, that was it? That really makes me feel like it was a real video then. Oh, and dude, every time it's been a name, it has been the worst video. Tim, Trevor, dude, I'm not gonna forget that one. Trevor.
Tim is a ghost hunter who I featured in a previous video. If you don't remember who he is, this is the guy who brought a shotgun to a
Oh, I do remember Mr. Van Helsing here. I mean, I'll give him a chance, but why does he bring a sawed-off shotgun and a cross with him? That feels like a prop for content.
haunted house. If that's not ghost hunting, I don't know what is.
You wouldn't even be able to get away with that on, what is it? Because he has to post this on like YouTube. Yeah, his YouTube's credited right there. So he had to have like disclosed somewhere that it wasn't real. Unless you can have guns, right? I just don't know if you could be walking them around abandoned buildings and pointing them. Like, I feel like that's different than showing off like a review of a gun.
Çok iyi.
Bro, this feels set up though. He feels like a Zach Bagans. Like he's just triggering all this stuff and then has a fun little quip to say. I mean, the candles are out is not a fun little quip, but it's kind of on par.
Свечки.
Oh, enhanced audio, my favorite. Just the sheer amount of equipment that he has with him makes me really think he's beyond capable of setting this up. Like, and more than willing to, you know? He's really deep into this. Like, he always sets up the stupid graph thing. I don't know what that's gonna do. That's what I told you, Tim, it's always bad when it's just a name.
Luckily though, Tim didn't bring a strap.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I do have to. I'm so, that if you're gonna bring a real shotgun and cross and like ghost hunt with it, and then you're not gonna do that at a different place, I'm gonna think you're just like full of shit. Sorry. That was important.
I couldn't find the original source for this video, but that doesn't take away the fact that it's still scary. The girl in this video is woken up by something.
It kind of does. Sorry, Bizarre Bub from 5 years ago. It kind of does.
She seems to be really frightened. We don't know what it is that she's afraid of until this happens.
I feel like this is a movie or something, dude. Like a...
Hey, come here. It's okay, baby. It's okay. All right, come. Come around.
Oh, he didn't even have enough time to like perceive that. There ain't no way that wasn't set up. This is like for a movie or something like that. Or a project.
The fact that she was looking at the chair before it moved makes this even more creepy.
Bro, I want a trampoline in my room. That would be so sick. I know it's a little one, but I still feel like that'd be fun. It's such like a 90s thing, though. I don't think they do that anymore.
A guy named Urbix Hill who explores abandoned places. A place that he went to recently.
Man, he used to ride this dude like every video he has a Urbex Hill video in it.
Was a Masonic temple that's been abandoned for 40 years.
The old ones.
As he was checking out the temple, this happens.
Oh god, that's nasty as
The dead bird. Oh. I'm so glad he blurred it. Let's move on. Yeah. That's so sad though too. Like maybe he just wandered off, didn't know no one was there, there's no food. Why is that leg like that though? That chair wouldn't stand up if you tried. I feel like somebody probably was just passing through there. It like settled after a while. I don't know. I don't think that's like a big deal. Especially with the way the legs are. Okay, I would do the same. I mean, he's aware of squatters. He's mentioned it before, so. And he acts the right way. Like, in the last stream, somebody said, like, you're going to think it's an intruder first. Like, that's the first thing. You're not going to immediately default to ghost. And he usually acts like there's a squatter that could attack him with a rusty knife.
That was weird.
Does he still do this, Urbex Hill? I'm gonna look into that right after this. Oh. Okay, he defaulted to haunted. I did not expect that at all. That kind of makes me doubt it a little bit, but I mean, you didn't hear any footsteps or nothing, so maybe you can give him a pass on that. Let me look up. Okay, 2 weeks ago. Not that much, but I bet most of it is kind of just like nothing really scary happens. Still interesting to watch. He goes to really cool places. Whoa, we jumped from 8, 7, 6, 4, and then to 2.
It's 3 in the morning, and Brooker Chappelle wakes up to find this in his living room.
It's 3:45 a.m. and his brother's kids' toys are going off. Bro, I usually don't care about these ones. I always feel like that's overdone. The kids ghost thing, like kids' toys and stuff like that, is kind of a movie trope. Like anything that's really scary, it doesn't actually look like it's like ghost kid. So was the other, you weren't even doing the right one.
Talk about Toy Story. This is pretty creepy.
Is it? I don't think that's creepy at all, actually. I was gonna say, I know people think like the whole, oh, they can mess with electrical currents and stuff. I just don't think it would make sense that it goes to like a battery powered toy. Whatever.
My husband works nights at a high school that was built in 1877. He's always told me it's been haunted, and he has seen and heard weird stuff. But with the schools being closed since COVID, things have been a little strange recently. Last night, they had some construction workers in, and one of the guys was...
This is so elaborate, I'm already thinking this is fake. Let's just get to the video. What are we... I think that's a kid actually hiding behind the desk, trying to make a creepy picture. Like, what the fuck?
This is that one kid who slept in class and nobody woke up. There's nothing more scary.
Yeah, because if you don't have that janky story, whatever boof story he just told, you don't have that, this looks really dumb. And it's like, wait, what happened? Yeah, what? This is stupid. He had to make up a little story to go with it. Oof. Like I said, I knew that one was going to kind of be ass, but...